Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're taking a look into gold. I've got some new levels that I wanted to show you guys, and yeah, we'll head straight into it. So as we can see, price is nicely pushing lower and lower. Again, if you have been following our gold analysis videos, we are expecting price to make a reversal. Now I've got 2 points in the market that I wanted to discuss. So this is the previous level, which is roughly at 1670. So for now, what I'm expecting is, as long as we stay above this zone, we should be capable of turning over. So this is our first initial move that we're, first going to anticipate. The other thing as well is that price could start off pushing towards the upside. So as long as we see any form of momentum pushing higher and breaking all these structure highs, or structure lower highs, we could be starting to commence this move. So the other possibility is that price just starts to push up through next week. So the other level that I wanted to discuss was actually all the way down to 1460. So again, it's another whole level lower, but ideally this scenario would only take place if price does push lower than this zone. So I'll draw it on the side, but it could look something like this. So we do see price, we do have a huge area for price to move into. So I'm not going to give you an exact level because this is going to happen based on structure play. So as soon as we see that momentum push in, so let's say for example price does break lower than 1660. So this scenario is essentially, we could see something like this, price making its low, and then what we want to wait for is that essential shift in the market, and then we will see that push to the upside, and then hopefully this could be the start of the next move, which is something that we were anticipating for a long time. But again, it doesn't matter about what we think, it's about what happens into the market. So again, it's not purely based on predictions or anything. It's purely based on what happens to price. So if we see that break of structure, breaking it lower and lower, we see that shift, you could be confident that price could be making a way to the upside. So again, I've kind of labeled two/3 scenarios where, the first one being that price starts to make that way to the upside. So you could be looking at the shift changes here and here, or price starts to make a bit more of a lower push lower, and then we get that shift. So that's scenario 2. And then scenario 3 again is price to push lower than 1660, so this zone, and for it to enter this area here, and then we could see price continue making lows, and then we'll see a shift, and then that's when you can see price making a way to the upside. So again, this all remains valid until we push lower than this. If we push lower than 1460 or 1450, I would be looking for I personally will be looking to update this video because the bias for the upside is now invalid. Again, this can all change upon price action and everything, but again, when price does come to this area, or if it does come to this scenario, we will update the video for you guys. So don't worry if this does happen. Like I said, there's always opportunities around the corner. So for now, guys, I just want you to focus on this upside opportunity for now. As we can see, price is still respecting our levels. So we'll see what happens next week, and we'll give you a quick rundown of what to think for the next week. Okay, guys, so that would be all from us. If you are new to this channel, we do have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description. Also, if you have any other questions, I'm more than happy to answer. Just feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me through my Instagram. So that'll be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you all in our next video.